Well, hello everyone. Today I am teaching you a winter vintage rose nail design. A simple floral print nail art design perfect for spring. This eye-catching design will surely bring a vintage look to any outfit in Christmas and New Year as well. Let's move to step number 1. I will guide you step by step points how to make vintage nail art design at your comfort zone at your home easily. Let's move to step number 1. Start by painting your nails with a not baggy nail polish. Let's talk about to step number 2. Using a small nail art brush, create a new circle on each nail. The circle not need to be perfect. Step number 3. Using a thinner brush and a dark red nail polish. Carefully outline each rose. Then do several smaller C shapes within the circle to suggest petals. Let's move next step number 4. Using the same thin brush and a dark green nail polish. Lay the brush down on your nails to make oval shaped leaves around each rose. Step number 5. Using the same thin brush and a lighter green nail polish and some details to the leaves. Step number 6 and the final step, apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Hopefully you like my today's video. If you like, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.